Why does it look like I'm so close to my camera? How's it going, Tweaks? Right, so basically what we're going to try and do is I have two different versions of Minecraft. I'll show you. And by the way, if you are into Minecraft and you don't know about Foxy Hotel, go and check his stuff out. His mod packs are great. So I can't, number 2 I can't do because it's fabric. But this version, number 1, is Forge. So we're going to start there just to see if it works, because it's annoying me. And if I can't do it in if I can do it in Forge, then I've just got to work out how to convert it into fabric. What have you been up to, Tweaks? So mod display name. Let's have a look what type of thing I need to put. The name shown. I don't really know what I'm doing. I don't really know what I want to call it because I don't know. Right. Let's do this. Let's stop being an absolute noob. Let's play it. Code it. Nice. I don't know why my nose starts itching. As soon as I get on stream, my nose itches, man. It's just weird. I haven't done that all day. So we are on Forge 47.2.0, 47.3, 47.3. We need 47.2. It doesn't let you change it. Installations. I should really be doing this, shouldn't I? So you can see what I'm doing. Edit. Will it let me change this to 40? I've got a feeling if I do anything newer, it's gonna mess it up. Yeah, no worries, buddy. We're gonna leave the snapshot because I'm pretty sure it will still work. But this tells you all the stuff it's gonna do anyway. So let's load up the game. Minecraft data pack. Yeah, I don't use NeoForge. Minecraft add-ons. Okay. Yes, we'll just let this do what it needs to do. It's loading. Okay. So one thing I forgot, I've not put in replay mod. I don't think I need to at the moment if we're just doing new Forge version available 47.3. Okay. So it is saying there is a new update for Forge, but I don't know if all the mods will work with that. So I'm just going to leave it. We're doing 1.20.1. So that's all fine. What we'll do is we will start coding test world. We'll do it survival. Don't need to do anything like that. That's all fine. Normal difficulty. Codig, my end doesn't work. Like that. Could technically do it in, you know what, let's put cheats on. We're doing survival, put cheats on, and then we can just code around it and then see if we can, because I'm pretty sure this thing here, you can change the recipes live in game and it will do it. Probably would have made sense just doing a super flat world, but you know. Workspace folder. Wonder if that needs to be the Minecraft directory folder. Okay. So what we got to remember is we're not here to play. We are here to code. So what do we kind of want to learn what recipes can go into what and how to make what easily. No? So I guess if let's look at a basic recipe. So like on my last game, I was trying to do red sand, right? So let's look at the recipe in this version of it. Am I getting started already? Is that not hitting him? He's gonna kill me already. Jeez. Let's what is that? Tasmanian devil. You know what, can I just I can. Let's just do this. So So I highly doubt anything's going to give me grief this high up. Top of the world. So, red sand. Red sand is there. So, in this version of Minecraft, there are two ways of getting red sand. So, granite crushed down makes red sand, right? But I don't think that that should be the case. I think to get red sand, it should be something easier, like sand plus a poppy, like red dye, or to mix it up, a poppy, and then when you mix, so you got to mix sand with a poppy and then squash it so it makes a block, right? Hold on, I need to write some of this down. Okay, I don't have my pen and paper with me. Let's go notepad. So we will do red sand, and to get that we need sand plus, oh, I don't like this font, sand plus poppy mixed and pressed, and that should equal out red sand. Right, so we've got our recipe. So then mod display name, let's just do like, I don't know what the mod, you know, let's go C dub add add-ons, no underscore. Okay, so we got that. DBS add-ons, C-dubs add-ons. Create workspace. Okay. So it's just setting up all the scripts and stuff like that. This can take quite a while. I forgot about this, to be honest with you. Hopefully it doesn't. I thought as it set it up last time, it was done, but maybe it has to do it for every mod. Might have to change that directory, I'm not sure. This is just going through all the code. It shouldn't take that long because we're not using much internet, so While that's doing that, I'm just going to go and look at some other stuff. Right, I'm going to check on Kick what this stuff's like. I want to see what this is going to be like on both channels. I think it's nearly done. Move these so you can see them. Right. Right, so that's working and that's working. Great. Honestly, didn't think it would take this long. Should have done it beforehand. But yeah, once it starts up, that's when we can start figuring out how to do all the code stuff, what we need. So basically, we're trying to make, where's my notepad? We're trying to make red sand. Yeah, we're trying to make red sand and make it so it's easier to basically get in the world. Not to get in the world, to craft, sorry. Moment, I'm just trying to look for a decent font. Oh, there it goes. I just want a nice big font. That'll do. So that's what we're trying to do. Oh, it's still downloading stuff. Okay. So I've been trying this before, and I spent some time on doing it, and I think I did the code right, but I think because I was trying to put it into Fabric, it didn't work. So this version is Forge. What's that? Found existing output.jar. Overwriting. Okay. Love the way it does. It's auto saving. There's nothing there to auto save. Now I don't know how to use code. I'm no expert here at all. I am a very, very, very early stages beginner. But this program kind of helps you do it, so you do it visually, and it kind of converts it into code. But what I want to do is I want to grab an existing recipe, use an existing recipe because it has the mixing functions and stuff like that in it, and then edit it that way. Just see if it works. And if it does work, then I can carry on my series. Unfortunately, I'll have to do a new series. But as long as I know it works, as long as I know I can add what I want in my mod, then I can get on with doing what I want to do. I'm not sure what it's doing now, but it's putting stress on the computer. Oh, it's injecting, it's patching. Setup is complete. So we should be close to it working. It's downloading more stuff. Honestly, didn't realize it would be this long. Anyway, how's everyone been? What's everyone been up to? If you've got any questions, don't be afraid to put them in chat. Doesn't have to be about Minecraft, it could be about anything really. Build successful. Took 10 minutes. Importing Gradle. No idea. Not got a clue. So basically, whilst we wait for that, to get redstone, red sand, you need granite, and then to make granite you need nether quartz and diorite. So basically I wanted it so it was all also, and then to get diorite you need nether quartz and cobblestone. So you get your diorite, and that's and that's fine. That's, you know, you can get that. then you put diorite into nether quartz. So then you need to crush diorite to make nether quartz, or use soul sand. So what I did before is I made soul sand to get that, and then I put it all together, but it was so slow. It took so long. So I want to learn how to make it quicker. How many does that give you? 1. That sucks. So that's why I want to do it an easier way. I don't think you should have to do all of that just to get red sand. Right, we're ready. So, what do we want? We want mod elements. We click on the plus, and we want it to be a block. CDubs add on. So we can't call it red sand, so we need to call it something else. Maybe we call it red sand. Red sand 2. So this is basically what you want it to look like. Oh. So what we will do is we just want it to look like red sand. So we'll just use that. Science getting beaten up. So we have that. Block tint, no. Block base. Leave it on default. Yeah, we'll leave all that on default. Block mode, normal. No rotation. No, it doesn't really matter, does it? It's just sand. No pitch. Waterloggable, no. Check this block for transparent, no. Texture solid. Right, so that's all of that done. Special information fixed, no. So then we do building, I think. Oh, bounding, sorry. Disable plan of a box. Bounded box. No, we'll leave that. Properties, right. Some materials. Sand. Creative, I don't know what that is. The parameter defines where your element can be found in creative mod. If this is empty, the element won't be added to any tab. Okay, so let's go in here. So I think that it's right. So we want to go to, we want it natural. No, we don't. Hold on a second. What are the create items under? Yes, what are these under? I think they're under their own. Okay. Yeah, I don't think we really need, because you got like farmers to like, oh, actually no, if we make our own block, because thinking about it, steam and rails, traveler's backpack. Yeah, because if we have, where do we want it? We want it in, let's have it in there. Natural blocks. Hardness, just going to leave it normal, because I think that all of these are normal, because we don't really need to change that. Can walk through block. Has gravity. Can walk through, no. No. Is replaceable. Don't know. I'm gonna leave that. Custom drops. Doesn't need to drop. Drop amount will be 1. Use custom loot table for drops. If checked, you need to define a loot table for drops. No, I don't know. This determines what the item is selected when you pick. Middle click with mouse to block if empty. The creative pick. I have no idea what that means. Vanilla tool, none is unbreakable. No. Sand. So that's that done. Advanced. Tick rate is normal. All of this should be normal. Block flammability. Fire spreading. No. Does redstone connect to this block? Does redstone connect to sand? Does it? No, I don't think it does. Enable block entity for this block. Check this box if you want any of these. No. Can have container but no GUI. No. Size of, usually the value should be the biggest slot ID in the GUI. Bound to +1. Don't know. Anyway. Block entity needs to be enabled for energy storage. Fluid tanks to work. No, don't need that. Triggers. Don't need any of that. And this needs to be, no, that we cut. No, it doesn't need to be anywhere, this. So, but the thing is, this is what I get confused about, because nowhere in this does it say how it's made. Does that make sense? So if we go back to visuals, there's nowhere in here where it says how it's put together. This is where I get confused with it. We don't need to do this because I don't care about that. So we've done what we're supposed to do, but how then do we turn this into right, so we've done that. So I'm going to duplicate this one. No, you know what? It says in here to make stuff like this stuff work, you have to lock. You are trying to unlock code of this mod element. When the code is locked, MC Creator won't change the source code, but this means that when updating MC Create, bug fixes and Minecraft versions, upgrades won't be applied to the elements that are locked. The mod elements are locked right now, and we select will be unlocked. This means that any custom code for these mod elements will be overwritten by MC Create. I know. Let's look at its code anyway. So this is its code. What we don't have is anything saying what it is. That's just made a block. That's not made the recipe for the block. Does that make sense? So if you look down at these are what I've done before. Oh no, they're not. Wait a second. These are all the things that it's put in for me. So this is, I think here where it's the dot redsand underscore 2 is where it's supposed to be. So that tells it all the conditions and stuff like that. This one is the actual recipe, I think, because it's a variant of the block. That's just the size and stuff of it all. So I think I need to make a new recipe. What we can do, I'm pretty sure if we there's a way of finding the recipes. I think go away. I think it's in here. So what we do is we quit this, we open this up, and now what we need to do is we need to find, so if we go back, we need to find the folder, and then we need to find the recipes. I can't. Config. This is what annoys me. I can never find the recipes. What about if I just have a look in Google quickly? So this is where I get confused, because it finds just enough items, but that's it. It doesn't find like the vanilla recipes. It finds all the mods. But there's no recipes. There's nowhere to click for the recipes. And this is what I'm having trouble with. Because you go in data and then it just has the fabric thing. No, I can't seem to work out where it is. I go in config. I thought it'd be in config. And then you've got like just enough items, fabric, Alex's caves, biomes, collective. You don't have. Let's go in just enough items then. Let's open Visual Code Studio. Let's see if we can look at the INI files. Yeah, so it's got all the lists of it. Like you got your create stuff, all that kind of stuff, but there's no. Do you know what I mean? There's nothing in here to kind of say this is where your recipes go, and this is where I'm getting stuck, and I get stuck all the time on it. So honestly, I don't know what to do with it. It's quite annoying. Because it should just have like recipes. There shouldn't be anything else. Replay mod. Default config. Nope. The hell was that? Does anyone know what I'm doing wrong here? Because I've got the install file, right? And then you go to like versions and you do your 1.20.1, then you got your .json in there. Oh, that is so difficult, man. Oh, wait a minute. To start a data pack developing, you need to place your root folder of the data pack in either the save folder saves world name data packs, your data pack root directory, or the open loader folder. The data pack root directory, it doesn't make sense. Add in a recipe. Recipes are written in JSON. Example recipes can be found in Create GitHub. Right, let's have a look at the recipes. No forge. Tags, blocks, stone. Well, there's not much there. So I don't know. Why does it just give me recipes for stone? Create recipes. Block zapper. Huh? I don't get it. I honestly don't get it. Recipes are written in JSON. Example of these recipes can be found in examples. Oh, okay. So this is the kind of stuff we need, because we need like this here. And yeah, this is just like a pattern thing, but we don't need that because we're mixing. To start, add a new JSON file to the recipe folder. Same naming conventions as the folder data pack name. File, yeah. So we've done that. The first example recipe will make crushed zinc obtainable by washing lime sand. F3 plus H gives you information on item IDs. But oh, it's splashing. So splashing is what they use as washing. So the type is create. So instead of splashing, I'm gonna need mixing, right? Right, hold on. Let's just put this into practice. Let's get rid of that. Let's bring up this. Let's go into the code. Oh, wait a minute. So that's saying that's in assets. So does that mean if I go to assets, what does that say that's laid out? So it's main resources. Default, no. I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm not sure on that. Collective, no. Assets, resources and assets, I can't find that neither. Local, data, Minecraft overworld, Minecraft overworld. It's not in mods. It's not in schematics, not in shaders. This is what I don't understand. Where are they getting their fucking recipes from? Mods. The only thing I got resource packs. So then do I add a what box do I put it in? I think it's here. I think this is where I need to do it. I don't know what roles means. See where I'm getting confused? I don't get it. There's nothing that really explains what it is. If the data pack does not show up, check the file structure. If it shows up in red as available, run /data enable file. So, right, so this is doing this in OpenLoader and Craft Tweaker. Or Craft, oh, they're optional. To start the data pack developing, you need to place your root folder of the data pack in either the save data pack in the save folder, saves, world name, data packs. Oh. Wait, so it's in saves. Right. Okay. There's still no... There's still no recipe, so I don't see how it... Right, anyway, let's do it the way it says. So, it says to go to data packs in your, basically, file directory, or open loader, folder, open loader data, your data pack. If it's available, to call the data root directory on the way. Yeah. Okay. In that data pack root folder, you need a file called pack mc meta, which contains data pack information. A sample of a pack.mc meta file would be pack format 5 description, and then whatever you want. Apart from pack.mc meta, you need a data on the same layer. Inside there has to be... What? Right, let's use what we just did. What one did I get? Oh, excuse me. Is it Craft Tweaker? I swear I just pulled it up. Wait, what? So this is saying Craft Tweaker's an add-on. Oh, my brain. What? I don't... Oh, my God. Right, hold on a sec. Let's put it in. What did it? Tweaker, weren't it? It's not here. No. So, what does this say? Why? Okay, let's copy that. The reason I want to do it through Forge straight away is then I know there it is. Right, so we need Craft Tweaker, so we'll install that. And what else did it say? Open loader. Open loader. Right, so we've installed them. So I'm just going to do it the way it's saying to do it. So mod pack author to the add-on global data packs. Craft Tweaker can help you get all currently active recipes and see the tags in the items. And we've got JEI anyway. It's fine. So we've got all of them. We've got everything we need there. Minimum you need is access Minecraft file. It's a text editor, but writing JSON is simple and text editor. Right. I thought I had a text editor. I'm pretty sure I had a text editor. I just had it up. Right. You have not opened a folder. Okay. So, to start a data pack developing, you need to place your root folder of the data pack in either the save folder, save world's name, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so we have that. So what we do is we'll open folder. We will then copy and paste. Oh. Why are you being a douchebag? Copy, paste, select folder. Yes. Done. So we've done that. In the data pack root folder, you need a file called pack.mcmeta. So I guess we go new file, built in, and then we copy this, we rename it. How do we rename? How do we rename? I don't know why things just can't be freaking easy and just rename it. Just click on it, rename. Because it's untitled, so right, don't save, new, select file type or edit file type name. Okay. So we want it pack dot I don't know. What? So I'm doing it wrong already. What? How's it going, Brycey? How you doing, buddy? Trying to. That doesn't work. I'm basically learning. I'm reading it as we go. In the data pack root file, you need a file called pack.mccreate. So let's get rid of this. Don't save. We've opened our... Did I do that or was that already there? A sample of pack file would be pack5 blah 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 videos. Apart from the pack MC there, you need a data on the same layer. Right. So I'm just going to leave that the way that is. I'm just going to literally copy it. Right. Inside you can place two folders, recipes and tags. So that goes in data packs, your data pack name. Data packs. Wait. How's it going, buddy? There's no data packs. Oh, saves. Coding test. Data packs. This is where it needs to be. Then my data pack recipe needs to go in inside here. So new folder, data pack. Not valid. Maybe? No, that's not right. That's not right. That should have been a new folder. Cheers for the follow, buddy. That should have been a new folder. No, that's not right. That's not doing a new folder. That's kind of just added. I'm pretty sure you just click there. Your data pack name cdubs res. We'll just leave it like that. There we go, that's better. And then we need recipes, and then again in here we need tags. Like that. I've literally just started. I've literally just started. All I want to do, so I'm trying to do a series on Minecraft for YouTube, and red sand is the hardest thing to come by, and there's so much you have to mix up just to get it, and I just want to make it simple just so I can do my video. So I thought I might as well learn to code, and it clearly ain't working. So with these steps complete, restart your game and run this command. Right, okay. So let's go to our game. Play. It's so difficult. But it is something that I do want to get. I would be interested in doing stuff, because then I could just do my own, all my own stuff. Because there's so much in Minecraft, like in the create mod, that's missing when it comes to recipes. So we're going to load this, we're going to run a command. It should tell us if it's working or not. I bet you it's not. What other stuff do you like watching, buddy? Right, so we go singles. We do code testing because that's where we put it in. Oh, cheers for the super chat, Solo. How you doing, buddy? You should have done the member. Did have any problem getting onto Warzone? No. Warzone's been alright for me. So I will be on Warzone in a little bit, actually. Depends what. Oh, just on YouTube. YouTube's cheapest, mate. No, I was saying instead of the super chats. I don't know why the notification didn't work. So what I need to do is I need to do the code /reload. Reloading. Craft tweaker starting. Craft tweaker reload complete. Then we do / data pack list. Blah blah blah. Super chat. Create new age monkey edition built in. Didn't come up. It should come up with my. Oh, there it is. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate it. It's not here. So I've done something wrong again. I just did the port forwarded thing for my Xbox. Turns out it works quite well. I thought it was port forwarded anyway. I told you to do that ages ago. Idiot. You saw it come up? Okay. So why doesn't it work? I did everything it said to... Oh, you idiot. Come on, wake up. I didn't even put any code in it. How's it supposed to work if I haven't put any code in? But we do need... what we don't have is we don't have a... So we need in coding data pack. In the data pack there we need new file, and we need, shut up stupid zombie, pack.mc meta. And it's telling me off because I don't have any code in there. So what we do is we grab the code, put that in there, v, file, save, go down. So then we go forwards. On the wrong page. I have a ping of 22 now, decent download and upload speed. Oh, nice. / reload. Reloading / blah, blah, blah. Data pack list. Oh, it's not there. It's not there. So what are we doing wrong? What are we doing wrong, guys? What are we doing wrong? So, I'll start again. Without smashing my computer up. So what we need to do, but you know what? You guys can read, right? Probably you can read better than I can. Being dyslexic doesn't help, right? So, to start doing this, this is where we're looking. The setup. To start data pack developing, you need to place your root folder of the data pack in either the save folder /saved /world name, so whatever you've named it, data packs, then your data pack, whatever you named it. Is that better? Or the open loader folder /open loader /data your data pack. How? So is that created a new folder? Maybe it has. Open loader. I don't know. I'm so stupid. Right, so anyway, we done the first bit. So we done the saves, world name, saves, and then world name coding test, and then data packs. Then your data packs, C-dubs, rest. Oh, hold the phone. This is wrong. So this, we go here, data packs folder needs to be a folder, then your data pack. So C dubs underscore res. You got it to work. Nice one, buddy. So that's my recipes. Then in my recipes, I need a file, right? I need a file called recipes and tags. So we go files. I need to spell this right. I need to make sure I spell this right. I always get this wrong because of my dyslexia. Did I spell that right? RECIPES. No, so I spelled it wrong. I had revalidate. Oh, okay. Recipes. So we got that. Then we need a new file. And that needs to be tags. Right. Okay, cool. So MC data, that needs to be there. Your intest does this mod work? Does, and this is what will show don't save. This is what will show on the actual thingy on the list. Right. So we've saved it. Now it's saying with these steps complete. Hold on. No, I've done it wrong again. So we need to cut that. We need to go C-dubs recipes. We need to paste it in there. So that needs to be in there. Pack.mc meta needs to be in here. Right. Pack format in it at 4. Pack format 5 does not match the actively loaded version of 1.21. You may need to reload Spyglass. Do you see what I mean about the random stuff? Like, I don't know what you're talking about. Anyway, we've saved it. So go back into, oh no, so it said quit the game, start it up again. I might, if I ever learn how to do this stuff, my tutorials are going to be so much easier than this, I'm telling you. I do like a how to code for dyslexics. Are you at home now, Sila? Yeah, you should be. 7 o'clock. So we'll do that. Single player coding. Okay. So reload. Oh really? Have you turned the graphics down and stuff? So now we need to do data pack list. So I should build in task condition build. What we got? There are 1 data packs available. Create new. Didn't work again. They're annoying. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I'm literally doing what it says. It sucks, man, because it's disheartening because I'm doing what it says. I'm literally doing what it says. And it's not doing it. Yeah, some weird thing. I don't know what it is. I honestly don't know what I'm doing wrong. Because it's in data packs. That's what should show. If it was working, that's what should show up. Does this mod work? And it doesn't say that. There's nothing here. I don't watch football, buddy. I don't get it. It's in there. It's where it says it should be. I've done everything that it said it should do. Hack.mc meta. And I've done that. Your data pack root directory. Data packs. See, this should have data packs, and then this should be separate. That should have a separate folder underneath, and I don't know why it doesn't. No, that's not what I wanted to do. I'm just gonna do it. Ooh, I think I heard it. It's looking for it now. You see what I mean? It's doing. Let's rename it. Why is it doing this now? Doesn't make sense. Okay, you know what? Why is this not doing what I'm telling it to do? Rename. I don't want that there. Where's the... It's not liking it. No, I won't watch the Olympics. Don't agree with it. I don't agree with what's going on. I don't get this. I don't know why it's gone to that. Oh, it's changed. No, it's not. Save world name, data packs, then your data pack. So we went to saves, coding test, data packs, then my data pack, and then put this in it. So that should work. It's just political stuff, buddy. Nothing to talk about, really. So that's saying that's wrong. So let's put that to 4. Pack format does not match. No quick fixes. No, it's nothing, buddy. Don't be sorry to ask. Ask questions. I don't mind. Apart from pack.meta, you need a data on the same layer inside. There has to be a new folder called your data pack name. Of course, your name goes here. So the way it should be is data pack, then the name of my data pack, then data. Wait, what? Hold on a second. Hold on a second. Saves, coding test, data packs. I'm going to delete it. We're going to start again. Right. New file. Oh, actually, no, we want to open folder. What we want to do, data packs. So we'll copy that location, put it in that location. That should load up everything in there. Kinda. That's not right. So I'm going to do saves. Right, so if we go open folder, and then select that folder. Right, this is better. So then we go to data packs, and here, so it goes data packs, your data pack name. So another folder, C dubs underscore res. Enter. No, see, look, it's joining. Why is it joining? Why is it not? Why is that not doing what I'm telling it to do? In there, new folder. What am I doing wrong? I want it. Maybe my view's different, wrong? Because look, that goes. Right, is there one where it's got another folder in it? No, so they've only got files in them. Ah, so it's within the. Right, so I am doing it right. I've just got to make sure that line is underneath it. So we had another folder called data. And then under the data, we then need another file called cdubs res. Then under that folder, we need another folder called recipes. And then under that folder again, we need tags. And then under your data pack, we need pack dot mc meta. Enter. Then we need to copy the code from that there. And then we save. Close Minecraft down. If it doesn't work this time, I'm just going to go on something else. I can't be bothered. Play. So we've literally copied it word for word, folder for folder. Right. So we reload. Right, okay. So then, just read something here. It doesn't even show up in the list. It means it's not there. Why is it not there? It's here. I did it. I did what it said to do. It's saying there's a problem in the line, and it's saying it's this 5. I don't know what that means. Is it because there's a space? Hmm. I don't get it. If it doesn't enable it, even when we click on data packs, because it says there's a data pack there, create new, new age create. So where's it getting its data pack from then? If this is not the data pack place. What I don't understand. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I honestly don't understand what I'm doing wrong. Wait, I don't think I need... Oh, nice. Yeah. Right. Cool. I don't get it. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Like even this says it's wrong. Contains emphasized items. What does that mean? I don't know. It's like speaking a foreign fucking language. I don't know. I don't know. I honestly just don't get it. You may need to reload Spyglass. What's it got to do with Spyglass? I don't get it, man. One of 402 broke. Right, okay, so let's, okay. 402. One of 402. So why does that? Don't get it. One. Pack format 402 does not have the corresponding release version. One, at least a value of 4. Pack format 4 does not match activity loaded version. I'm not going through all the code. I'm not going through 400 code, no way. I don't get it. Honestly, makes no sense to me. I'm doing it exactly how they're saying to do it. I don't know why it's doing what it's doing. I don't know. It's not there. I can't even find this one in the folder, so I don't know where it is. I don't know what it's doing. Yeah, I'm so confused. I'm doing it. I am doing it exactly how it says doing it, but it's not coming up. I'm not gonna get stressed about it. I just can't continue my Minecraft series. That's fucking great, isn't it? Oh dear. Right guys, I'm gonna end stream there. I'm gonna restart a different game.